Hello everyone. Today we are going to know something all about cube. What is this? This is a cube and we call it as a three-dimensional shape. All the faces are squares, all edges are equal, length is equals to breadth is equals to height. Let's know some cube related properties. Faces, 6, that in the sense front, back, left, right, top, bottom. So we have 6 faces in cube. Edges, we have 12. The line segments where two faces meet, we call them as a edges. Vertices, we have 8 in the cube. The corner points, will get 8 vertices. So this is cube picture. And now coming to the question, a cube has an edge length of 14 centimeters. We have edge length here 14 centimeters. So the question they gave us to find, so the task they gave us to find out the edge length, they gave us 14 centimeters and we have to find TSA, LSA and volume. What is TSA? What is LSA? What is volume? TSA in the sense total surface area, LSA in the sense lateral surface area and volume we are going to find out in this video. We'll find first TSA, total surface area. We have a formula 6a square. Substitute the value, we will get 6 into 14 square. So 6 into 196. 14 square is 196. So 6 into 196, we will get 1176 centimeter square. When we multiply 6 into 196, we got 1176 centimeter square. Therefore, TSA equals 1176 centimeter square. So we finished TSA. Let's move on to the LSA. Second question is to find lateral surface area of the cube. So what is the LSA formula? 4a square. 4a square. Let's substitute the value. 4, 14 square. 4 into 14 square, 196. We will get 14 square is equals to 196. So 4 into 196, we got 784 centimeters square. So 4 into 196, we got 784 centimeters square. Therefore, LSA equals 784 centimeters square. Now, finally, we are going to find out the volume for the given cube. Let us find volume. We know the formula of the volume of cube is a cube. Volume equals a cube. Now we have to substitute a value in the formula. We will get 14 cube. That in the sense 14 into 14 into 14. So 14 square, we all know pretty well that 196 and one more 14 we have to multiply and we get 2744 centimeter cube. Volume is 2744 centimeter cube. Thank you so much.